Hey everyone, it's Megan from Barassi Apple here, and I have a really fun summer kids activity for everybody. We thought it would be really cool to do a summer fun passport, and you can get both of these downloaded from the link. Just pop over there. There is a fun passport and a food passport, and you can just pick any color once you download it. Some cardstock, pick any color that you like. Then just take some regular paper, just a nice good stack. We're going to end up stapling it, so you don't want it to be too thick. Fold it in half, then do the same thing with your cover. And then simply slip it in, staple it, and I've got some finished ones right here in some fun different colors. If you're going to do the food passport, and the fun thing that we like to do about that is we like to do the ABCs of like what we eat in the summer, and it also gives us a chance to try new things, and it gives us an excuse to try new things. Some things that maybe my kids think are really gross or that do end up tasting gross, all they have to do is try it once, and then they can record it in their journal and say that they've at least tried it. So if you want to do the ABCs of your food, then you want to make sure that you've got enough pages to do all 26 letters of the alphabet. Kids write their name. It just shows, you know, how they write. And if you wanted to save this first page, you could, you know, put in their picture, just like their passport. And then we love to pull out magazines, just different ones that we read, but I always keep them because we love to cut out and do lots of projects with magazines. So let them look through and go on a letter hunt. This is really fun for all ages. They can find all the different letters in colors and sizes that they would like and paste them in their book. And then when they try something, they can run over to their little passport or journal in disguise and fill in what it is. I love for them to draw what it is. So he did corn on the cob. This one is B is ice cream bar. And then of course A, apple. And you can get really creative with, and just keep going through the alphabet. It's really fun. If you want to do the fun passport, it's just a way, again, journal in disguise, started with their name, for them to record their summer. You could take a picture of what they actually looked like for that summer, and we have the date on here, so we'll always know it was that summer, or let them draw themselves. And then just record different things that you do, or put in things that you're going to be doing so they can look forward to them. Like going to the splash pad, let them draw, and then always put in the date. And then if they want to record anything else about it, they could. Library, like I said, it doesn't have to be big things. If you have like a trip coming up and you would want to put it in there so they could fill in the date, and then draw a picture like Disneyland or family reunion or vacation would be really fun. But you can also just do the small things, like we went on a picnic today. Have them draw something that was memorable about that picnic and then put the date. And then you just have a little record of what they did in that summer. And if you have stamps, go ahead and let them pick a rubber stamp and stamp it like they've done it, like you would actually do in a passport. But it's like a little hidden journal in disguise, but they get to be in control of it, and I think it will be really fun.